Welcome back to Drone News UK, your weekly update on everything happening around the drone world, from consumer tech to global defence. This week we've got new laws from UK troops, big BVLOS update from the CAA, and major developments in autonomous warfare overseas. Here's this week's top stories. The UK government is introducing new legislation that will allow British troops to shoot down drones flying near sensitive or restricted military sites. This move follows a string of recent drone incursions around RAF and Royal Navy bases, where drones have been spotted conducting surveillance and disrupting operations. The new law will give troops immediate authority to neutralise any drone posing a threat, without needing civilian clearance first. Defence experts say that this represents a major step toward a unified UK drone defence policy, mirroring systems already in place in countries like Germany and France. Ukraine has revealed a next-generation long-range naval drone designed to operate across the entire Black Sea. This upgraded model boasts AI-driven navigation, enhanced endurance, and payload capacity capable of striking strategic targets deep behind enemy lines. According to reports, it has already seen successful test deployments, marking another significant evolution in autonomous and maritime warfare. Analysts say the new system could fundamentally reshape naval operations, replacing traditional patrol vessels with fleets of intelligent, expandable drones. Now, the UK Civil Aviation Authority has released a long-awaited Beyond Visual Line of Sight roadmap, paving a way for autonomous drone operations across UK airspace by 2027. This means drones could soon handle long-distance deliveries, emergency response, and infrastructure inspections, all without direct pilot oversight. The roadmap highlights priorities such as airspace integration, real-time data sharing, and unified traffic management between drones and crewed aircraft. It's a major step forward for both commercial and consumer drone pilots, bringing us closer to a future where drones operate safely alongside manned aviation. On the consumer front, DJI could soon face new restrictions in the United States as the Federal Communications Commission reviews a proposal to revoke certifications for certain DJI products. If approved, this could effectively ban new DJI imports and impact firmware support for existing drones in the US market. While this doesn't directly affect UK pilots, global supply chains and software updates could see some disruption. DJI is yet to issue a formal response, but industry analysts expect a strong legal challenge should the proposal pass. And finally, the US defense firm Shield AI has unveiled the X-Bat, a new autonomous loyal-wingman drone designed to fly alongside fighter jets. The aircraft uses onboard AI to navigate and perform independent missions such as surveillance jamming and strike support without human control. With multiple Western allies already expressing interest, the X-Bat could become a key player in next-generation AI-assisted combat aviation. Now, the CAA has announced new temporary flight restrictions across the UK this week. RAF Lossiemouth in Scotland has a closed airspace from the 28th to the 30th of October for air defence exercises. Birmingham NEC restrictions are in place for a security expo from the 30th of October to the 2nd of November. And Cardiff Bay has partial no-flight zones from the 31st of October to the 3rd of November for Remembrance Week rehearsals. Always check Drone Scene or NATS Drone Assist before you fly. Even hobbyist pilots can face heavy fines for entering restricted airspaces. And this week's featured photo comes from Sam, showing an incredible aerial shot of the UK last week. Send us your best drone photos to josh@dronesales.co.uk for a chance to be featured in next week's episode of Drone News UK. And that's all for this week's drone news. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for the latest drone headlines every Friday. For all of us here at Drone Sales UK, thanks for watching and fly safe.